Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This is where I share my workflow and my systems for trading options in the stock market. I built this spreadsheet. It's one of my systems. It tracks every one of my trades, and today I'm going to use it to give you all a report for how I've been doing for the past 3 months, March, April, and May. As you could see right down here, I placed my last trade for May on 5/29, so that was yesterday. It was with IREN at a strike price of $54. It was 2 contracts, and if we take a look at my Fidelity account, here it is in my Athena IRA. Grabbed it yesterday, and here is that trade. And I could click on it, and it shows here that it is acquired May 29th, yesterday, and that's to show y'all that these are my actual trades getting put into the spreadsheet. So yeah, I'll give you a report for how I've done in the past 3 months, but before we get into it, let's get this out of the way. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm personally doing for educational purposes only. Results may vary. A full disclaimer is posted in the video description below. Also, from time to time, you'll hear me mention the options with Ryan channel, and I'll reference Ryan's videos to give some context to the systems I'm building and my workflow. For full disclosure, I am a member of Ryan's private trading community, OTU, Options Trading University. I joined because his style and content just really resonates with me. So I just wanted to be upfront with that. If you want more info, check out his channel. All right. So now that we have our last trade of the month in the spreadsheet, let's go ahead and we'll come up here to the show hide toggle area, and we'll open up the stats area, and this gives us a breakdown of what's going on with all our trades, so we can make sure that we're still making money and that I haven't blown up the account, which is something we don't want to do, right? So I've gone over what all this stuff is in a tutorial video as well as in the download video, so I'm not going to go over all of the smaller details, but I do want to get to the nitty gritty, and that is that for March, April, and May, I've generated some positive income. March, I made $5,112.48. April, $5,338.20, and in May, $12,456.66. So even though these months were not as profitable as these others, I'm still happy that I have a positive profit showing up greater than $5,000 in that month. So I will take it. For these 3 months together, that's about $23,000. So when I add January through May altogether, I get $55,992.01 for all the trades placed in 2026. So that's how I'm doing, and I'm feeling pretty good about that, you guys. Right over here, we have this simplified table that shows income, realized profit with capital gains. There's that same number. This is kind of a check to make sure my tables are aligned and that my math is adding up. So yeah, I'm still in the positive, so this is a good report. For these lower numbers, March and April, they were tougher trading months, and I learned a lot out of them, so I'm hoping that I can navigate downturns in the market in the future and maybe hold on to some higher gains. And then if we look at this number here, you have negative 30. What I know about that, and I want to give clarity to some viewers who may not know how this spreadsheet works, is that that is accounting for some LEAPS contracts that are still open. So I need to spend money to purchase LEAPS contracts, so that is a debit against my account, and it shows up as a negative P&L. But that's just part of the risk involved with trading and the reality of your P&L taking a downturn. But it doesn't change the realized profit at the end of the day, which is coming up positive. So that is definitely a good thing to see in our account. And it's what I lean on this spreadsheet to do for me is to make sure I'm safe, make sure that I'm still making a profit, that I'm still having a positive win rate. So yeah, like I said, I lean into the spreadsheet for that. If you're interested in a free copy of this spreadsheet, there will be some links at the end of this video to give you an option to watch those videos and see if this spreadsheet is for you. Also, I'll put a link in the description. Before we wrap up this video, let's look at our yearly report. So this looks at how I do for the year, and I have 2025 and 2026, how much I've generated in options, related capital gains, gives me a total income. So we saw that for 2026, I am now up at 55,992.01. Added with last year's amount, I have a grand total of $93,092.53 that I've generated since I have started doing options trading. So yeah, you guys, for me, this is just a great way for me to have a way to grow my IRA accounts, my Roth accounts. I'm looking at implementing options trading across the board for my brokerage accounts. And yeah, this spreadsheet is helping me understand that for me, this is a successful strategy. So with that, I will wrap it up here. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time.